Guys, welcome back to a long overdue video. Another day on the farm. Yes, so I thought goat rearing would be easy. Didn't know it was a hard thing. It's a very hard thing. It's like, you ever play Sim City where you have to feed them and do certain things, and it's like the up and down health, all kind of stuff, hungry, angry, sad, happy. That's how goat is, goat rearing. Yeah, I just bought this ram today. It's a local ram, and that's my main ram. He's not used to me yet, so he's a little shy. He'll get used to me soon. Beautiful. I think he was born January, so he's probably about a few months old now. 6-7 months. Yeah, anyway. So I've been having a rough time with these goats. We've been having a lot of miscarriage. I guess it's due to nutrition. This grass right here is not the best grass for them. So, but that's what I have right now, so they're gonna have to eat it until I can do better. I'm trying to plant out some paddocks. I have 2 paddocks that I'm gonna work on this weekend. What's wrong? Why are you sneezing? This is Big Mama, guys. What's wrong? Anyway, she's always peeing. So anyway, one of my goats just had a miscarriage. I think it was yesterday. So I'm gonna try some remedy. This is pear leaf. They say give them mango and pear leaf. So I'm gonna pick some pear leaf and go find some mango leaf and give her to eat. So hopefully whatever she have in her, she could pass it out. Okay, so here's the mango tree. Look at them, some of the leaves off of it. It's a old-time remedy. Not sure if it's gonna work, but right now I'm a little desperate, so gotta do it. The vet is supposed to come out on Sunday, so I'm gonna try to help myself meanwhile and get a couple of these branches. Okay, where's that branch go? Yeah, okay guys. So I got the mango leaf and the pear leaf. I'm gonna try to see if that work. Guys, this hill right here is a killer. I don't need to go to the gym. All I gotta do is go down this 3 or 4 times for the day, I'll be good. So this is Jimbo, my service ram. But I think I'm having a problem with Jimbo, you know. His kids are coming out way too big. So purchased this one. Purchased him today. Yeah. Got a good price on him. Really good price. So hopefully this is gonna be my new service ram for a little while. This guy right here is a local breed. So they're a little bit more stronger. But the only problem with them, they're smaller, but they breed up fast. Yeah, so anyway, guys, I'm gonna let you guys name this one right here. My first ram name was Rico. Then I got Jimbo. Someone give me a name for this guy. All right. Oh, I finally did the opening on the fence. So when I'm selling the pigs, they don't have to go through my pig pen anymore. Because you don't want to cross pigs and goat together. It's not a good idea. It's not sanitary. But anyway, this pig right here is pregnant. Don't mind the mess, guys. It's really dirty. But there's no smell. No smell at all. I won't smell nothing. I gotta clean that one these days. Yeah. Okay, Rico. Rico, you cannot mate with that goat. That is not my goat. Okay? Rico, behave yourself. Okay. All right. Actually, that goat right there is his mother. I bought it from my neighbor. Yeah, guys. As far as the house, I haven't been doing no work to it. I'm focusing most of my time on the animals, them trying to get it right. Right now my goat's not doing too good. I got a nutritional problem. So this weekend I should be planting some cane grass, aka king grass. I have all kind of names for it. Yeah, so this is the mango and pear leaf all mixed up. So rest of my kids them. Okay, so this is the goat that just had a miscarriage. I think she might have something left in her. So another old time remedy, bamboo. So I'm trying everything. We go straight for the mango leaf. So I'm gonna try to see if that works. Right now she's bleeding from her vagina, or say vulva, whichever is more correct. But anyway, yeah. So the rest of the guys are right here. Well, some of them, not all of them. These are the girls. All these goats are yos, female. Except for him, he's a ram. And this black guy right here. Don't have a name for him yet. Okay, help me name this one also. That's one of Jumbo kids. And his mother is right there. Okay. So over yonder, we start wrong spot. I cut it down with a lawnmower and spray the grass and kill it. So that's where I'm going to be planting my stuff. We'll plant the king grass over there, and the next paddock next to it, I'm going to have to spray that soon. And I'm either going to plant Mombasa or another one named oh God, what's that name again? African Star or some Angola grass. Either one of those three. Over here, once that's done, then I'll probably plant some of that same same three grass over here, Angolan, African Star. Guys, I don't know nothing about grass. I was raised in New York City. I'm doing my best. But anyway, the vets came by before it told me I gotta get my nutrition up, so that means better grass. This grass right here is not so bad, this one, but I don't have plenty of it. So, but it's a work in progress, guys. I can't let them go over there because I got stuff over there I plant. I don't want them destroyed yet, but if it comes to the test and I get desperate enough, I will open the gate and let them destroy everything over there. Yeah, but I got stuff over here that I don't want them to get into, like this plant right here. What is it called again? Trichantharia. Yes, it's called Trichantharia. It's really good for the goats. I got it from a good guy. I don't want to call his name because I don't want no one to go there and bother him about it, okay? So I'm not going to call his name, but I thank him and I really appreciate it. I got some right there also that I'm waiting on, but I don't want him to the coconut tree. I don't want to destroy the coconut tree and plant one banana over here. There's a lot of food over here for them though. I plant one banana tree right there. It needs to be weeded out. I don't know what kind of banana it is, but the guy told me don't plant it with the rest of the bananas, leave this one separate, so I did. So I'm not sure if it's a special banana. We gotta wait to find out. Okay. So anyway, this is the new member to the family. Just got him. This guy right here coming like Houdini. I think that's what I'm gonna name him, Houdini. I don't know. That's probably kind of corny, but this guy, I don't know how I locked him up over there. I don't know how he got out, and that gate is locked right there. I don't know how he got out, and then he reached here. I brought him out one time, and now he want to be out. I don't know, Houdini's kind of long, but it's around. Okay, so I just let him out. Let him go be with his mother. Normally, I don't let them out until they're 6 weeks old. I'm gonna put him back in soon. But anyway, I've been having a problem on the farm as far as like, other than nutrition, worm. So it's like a uphill battle for me right now. I'm trying to fight it. But let's see what happens. Hopefully I catch it in time. So I wormed all of them. Well, not all of them, but whoever needed, I wormed them. Get us some vitamins, iron, stuff like that. This guy right here, one of my ram, ever since I bought him, he's been sick. So I'm trying hard with him. Trying real hard with him. His father is beautiful. Nice, long, curly horns. Beautiful. The girls that love him. When I went to the farm, the other yours was just rubbing up against him. So let's see what happened to him. Hopefully he has good potential and gets strong, nice and strong. So tomorrow I should be doing a lot of work on the farm, on the paddock over there. Yeah, so I planted some coconut trees out here and banana. Everything else I have to plant it behind the fence where the goats can't get to it, because these goats eat everything and destroy everything. So they don't get out here, so I'm trying to think out here. I have the space, so why not use it? Planted some mulberry out here also. It don't look like it's ready yet. I don't see it. Yeah. Plant some gungo. But I accidentally get the spray on it, so that one might not make it. Here's another one right there. So hopefully one of them make it. Hopefully both of them make it, but if not, at least there's one. Let's see if I get a better shot. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna make it. Spray touched it yesterday. Farming is not easy, guys. It's a lot of loss. Health, theft. Not easy, but I'm trying and I'm not giving up. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please comment. So kind of encourage me to make more video. I've been really busy lately. Probably a little lazy, but to do them. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that kid. I just love to see them when they run. Yeah, guys, so once I'm finished with this side right here, this little piece right here, this piece is roughly about a 1/4 acre, roughly. And this is another quarter acre right here. So once I'm done with that piece, I'm going to turn my attention to this and get rid of this grass right here. It's not the best grass for them. I think it's called Becerra. It's really good for cows, not goats. So, like I said, I'm learning, and it's not. This is not something that I know about. It's just something that I love. So this has been a passion of mine since I was a child. I always wanted goats. So I say, since I'm living in Jamaica, why not? I basically do what I want to do, how I want to do it, when I want to do it on my property. No one cannot say nothing about it. But I got to get my nutrition up. So anyway, guys, as far as the house is going, I haven't been doing much work on it. Little work here and there. I did the ceiling. Put a solar system on the house. The windows are paid for already, and they just gotta come and install them whenever they come. I don't know. Hopefully they come soon. It's been a few months before the hurricane. But they did tell me, say it's gonna be a while, so I understand. I want to do some painting. I think I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do it myself. I could do that myself, no big deal. It's just the other side over here. I guess it'll be the right side of the screen. It's really tall, so I'm gonna find someone to paint over there. And maybe back here too. Let's see what happens. But as far as inside, I'm painting the inside myself. It don't make sense paying someone to do that for me when I could do it myself. I got everything I need. I got a sprayer, I got rollers, I got tape, I think I can help myself. I can manage. You know, if I could save $1, why not? It's not like I'm working.